Preksha, a third-year BCA student from Dezyne École College. For the Identity 2025, organized by Dezyne École College in collaboration with Sentry, I'm presenting an AI-powered WhatsApp clinic management system that turns a single WhatsApp number into complete clinic operations layers, managing bookings, rescheduling, refunding, payment end-to-end. This solution has been engineered not as a classroom prototype, but as a deployable backend that a small clinic can plug into its WhatsApp number and start using with real patients immediately without using new apps or additional staff training. Now let's move into the live walkthrough of ClinicFlow AI and see how the system works in real time. My primary N8N workflow. On the left, the WhatsApp trigger node receives every incoming message from the clinic WhatsApp number as JSON. The message flows into the AI agent in the center. The AI agent understands the patient intent, whether they want a new booking, reschedule, and then calls the right tools below it. Each green icon is a Google Sheet operation. Add patient, get patient list for user, add appointment, get user appointment. A date and time node and a simple memory node help the agent keep context. After performing the required sheet operations, the result goes to the send message node on the right, which formats a clean WhatsApp reply. So this one workflow converts WhatsApp messages into structured operations on my data and back into my user-friendly messages. You have seen the architecture. Now let's see how a real patient actually uses this on WhatsApp. This is the clinic's WhatsApp chat. When a patient types hello, the bot greets them and shows a clear menu. I will choose new booking. The bot queries the patient sheet using my WhatsApp number, finds all linked family members. I select patient 1 and now bot asks me to choose a date from the next 7 days. After I pick a date, it generates only valid time slots for that day. Past times, doctor off times, and already booked slots are removed. So double booking is not possible. I choose Stripe. The bot creates me the appointment, sends me a neat summary, patient name, date, time, payment method, current payment status, and overall status. And just below that, it sends a Stripe checkout link. I can tap to pay. Now just feed the details and ready to pay. The payment has been successful and we have received a message your payment has been received. Thank you for booking your appointment with us. This bot can also reschedule the booking. Now I will type I want to reschedule my booking. Now it will simply ask which appointment you want to reschedule. I think some issue has been occurred. Let's check it out. Let's refresh the page. Okay, so bot has sent a message. I found the following upcoming appointments for you. I will just simply type one here. Now he's asking me to select a date to modify. As you can see, the previous time and date that has been selected for the appointment. Now I will select it. Now the date and time has been updated in the Excel sheet. I can also cancel the appointment. I just need to write cancel my appointment. Now, as you can see, the status is right now is confirmed, but when I click cancel, the status is now cancelled and the refund has been initiated because we have done the payment via Stripe. I am writing show me my upcoming bookings because I just want to see, because all the bookings are cancelled right now. Let's see what both reply. You have no upcoming bookings. The whole system is working fine. Everything you just saw in this chat is not random. It's all driven by a structured data model in Google Sheets, which looks like this. This is my patient's sheet. Each row has a patient ID, the WhatsApp number, name, age, and gender. That's how the system can show multiple family members linked to one number without asking for details again. Next is the appointment sheet. Here every row is one appointment with columns for appointment ID, patient ID, WhatsApp number, date, time, payment method, payment status, and Stripe payment intent when Stripe is used. All automations are driven by these fields, creating a row trigger payment handling, changing status to cancel, trigger refund, and upcoming rows are used for reminders. Because the schema is clean, the same logic can later move from sheets to proper database without rewriting workflows. This is my payment link workflow. On the left, the look for new appointment node is a Google Sheets row added trigger. Whenever a new appointment is added, this flows run. Check appointment payment mode reads the payment method, column and branches. If the patient chooses cash at clinic, the workflow simply stops. If the method is Stripe, it continues to generate Stripe payment link. That node calls the Stripe checkout API, passing the amount and the appointment ID in the metadata, and Stripe returns a checkout URL and payment intent. I stored it payment intent in the appointment sheet and then sent payment link uses the WhatsApp API. Here you can see my Stripe confirmation workflow. Stripe trigger listens to events from Stripe such as payment succeeded for the clinic's account. When Stripe calls this webhook, the retrieve payment session node fetches the full session details, including the appointment ID stored in metadata. Using that ID, mark payment paid, updates the corresponding row in the appointment sheet, and sets payment status to paid. In parallel, Send payment confirmation sends a WhatsApp message to the patient confirming that payment has been received and the booking is fully confirmed. Even if the patient closes WhatsApp after opening the link, Stripe still sends the event to this backend and the data stays consistent. This is my cancellation and refund workflow. A Google Sheets row update triggers fires whenever any appointment row is edited. Check status cancelled, filters it down to only those rows where the status column is set to cancelled. Next check is amount paid, checks two fields payment method and payment status. If the method is cash or the payment is not paid, the lower branch rushes and sends cancellation message. Sends a simple WhatsApp cancellation confirmation. If the method is Stripe and the payment is paid, the upper branch runs. Stripe refund API uses the stored Stripe payment intent. After booking, payments and cancellation are stable, the next important layer is making sure patients actually show up on time. This workflow powers automatic reminders on the left. Schedule trigger runs at a fixed interval. For example, every few minutes, each time it fires, it calls the appointment reminder AI block. Inside a Sheets node reads all the future appointments from the appointment sheet. Add date and time node calculates how far each appointment is from the current time. And the logic filters only those happening within the next 1 hour. For those filtered rows, the WhatsApp send notes sends a personalized reminder message with the patient name, the date and time of the visit. ClinicFlow AI is not just lines of code. It is a solution of real human problem. One receptionist struggling with calls, one doctor struggling with appointments, one patient waiting unnecessarily. All of that can be changed with one WhatsApp message. Thank you Identity 2025, Dezyne École College and Sentry for giving me this opportunity to build something meaningful. Thank you judges for watching my video and for your time.